My name's Martha. I'm 27 years old and I've lived in Kingston for 4 years now. I run a yoga studio here downtown. So I had my first cigarette when I was 13. High school is when it really picked up, especially once I transferred from private school to public school. In public school, we could leave the campus for lunch, and I was walking there to and from on my own. It was right in our neighborhood. And that's when smoking really picked up, especially because a lot of the other kids at school smoked outside. Right on the front lawn, we would all gather there like several times a day, even in between classes, we'd go for a smoke. And then right up into university. The first time I took a yoga class, it really kicked my butt, and it was a wake-up call because I realized how out of shape I was at such a young age. And then I started attending yoga classes regularly, and it just had this ripple effect through my whole life. I started eating healthier foods, I started walking everywhere, I had more energy, I felt vibrant for the first time. It was like being a little kid again. Yoga was a major inspiration for me to stop smoking. Once I made the transition into a healthier lifestyle, that's when I could really start picturing having a family in my future. And then once I met my partner, we shared such a common vision of how we wanted to raise our family. And so knowing that I'm in a healthy body now, smoke-free, it feels really good that I'm going to be able to share these positive and healthy life habits with my girls. Anyone who's thinking about getting pregnant or is pregnant and is a smoker or having trouble quitting smoking, what I want to say is that it is possible. And it is better to live a smoke-free life. I can say that from experience, and I truly want to share that message. One piece of advice that I would give to someone who's trying to quit smoking is that you will never know how good the human body is designed to feel until you make this change in your life. It is so significant that just keep your eye on the prize.